So before we start with Alan's session, as usual, we're just going to do a quick recap of what we learned yesterday. We had 4 sessions yesterday. In the morning, we had Pa Andre's sessions on the conflict management and negotiations, and then afterward we had Pa Steve's sessions on working with industries, and then afterward we went with Pa Doni on working with communities, and last we had Prof. Uut with working with multidisciplinary. So please just share with us what are the things that you remember from these topics from yesterday. Pa Asmedi, perhaps you can start.
Especially about the crazy idea that can break through from academia research to be industrial research. And secondly, that when we want to do multidisciplinary research, then we have to share much energy. I don't know whether I can do or not.
Whether you have the energy or not. Okay, thank you, Pak Asmedi. Pak Rusdi.
I thought when I came, this recapping thing already finished, so I definitely miscalculate my time for coming. Yeah, so the first one, I think about the managing conflict, that ideally we should be able to be on this upper right-hand corner to be collaborating or compromising in managing conflict. 2 or 1?
2.
2? Okay. The other one is, I think when you do engage in a community, it's very important for you to treat them respectfully. I think that's...
Okay, respect. Okay, that's the key word.
Alan gave a suggestion that we have to move forward from the below and, toward the right and top quadrant, which is compromising or collaborating. And then from Pa Rilis Andono Ahmad session, what I remember is that we have to respond the opponent opinion or rejection with quickly and in appropriate manner. I think that's all.
Okay. Putih.
I also remember in the first section that almost all of us, the characteristic of all of us is avoid and accommodate. And yeah, I also remember Alan suggests us because it's not healthy for our mental. So yeah, we will try.
Okay.
To work with industry, we have to make something that challenge conventional wisdom. Yeah. Yes, and then from the working with community, transparent and honest is very important.
Okay. And the theme of the last day is about research performance improvement. And Alan's going to start that with his session on research performance improvement, which will be inputs to our next session, which is on the group work, on the exercises. So Alan, the stage is yours.